I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you. Talk like you.
Hey, somebody drop their mag. Hey,
Keep going, keep going, keep going. In class, in class.
grenade.
Oh, so I'm dead then. That's stupid, I was behind the wall. Wait, was that the same dude? I shot him in the chest. How's it looking? How's it looking?
Oh, there's guys.
You see that hole in the mattress? Yeah, there's a guy peeking through there. You need to be careful of that.
I got him.
Thank you.
Yo, shotgun guy.
I hit. All right, I'm back. What's up?
Before you threw the fucking grenade.
Fuck.
Hit.
Really? Really? Dude, I know for a fucking fact I hit that guy in his fucking chest here. Oh. Good.
Oh, he said no joy. Okay, cool.
He simulated walls, right?
He said it was no joy. So,
Or is this to count as that?
giving you all sorts of problems right now.
Should we try to push him?
Oh, did he go? He went. Okay. No joy. Hit. Okay. Crossing.
Got one.
Going under you.
Alright.
Thank you.
Two crews remaining.
Oh, what a...
Alright. You're good?
Oh, never mind, there's 2 cones left. 2 cones left, guys. Move it up.
I have no idea.
Right on the other side.
Bing bang. Bing bang. Thank you. There's one more on this side.
Alright.
I'm backing up in case of a grenade. Let's go, let's move up. Ready? I'm gonna breach in with you, ready?
Mikhail, on you.
You're up, you're up, you're up. Bing bang. I missed.
Back here?
Yeah,
Yeah? Okay.
this is all open, so.
Grab passing by. Watch your fire.
I'm walking out.
Right on the bone.
Holy Jesus. Scared me. Hey, what the f? Dude, call that. You can't throw a grenade after you've been shot. Ronan. Thank you. You threw it after you got shot, though. Yeah. All right. I shot you right in the back, though.